Looking for a good place to visit on vacation?
Well, we're gonna show you one right now.
Hi, this is Michael.
And Stephen from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
We just got back from vacation, and one of the fun things we did was visit Rolling Hills Zoo,
where we got to see a rhino up close and personal, which was really important for the Sniping Rhino Ranch crew.
But before we show you the video, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos.
That being said, we're going to show you some of the cool stuff that we saw.
We're going to include a link to Rolling Hills Zoo so you can follow them, because they have some exciting news coming up, but we're not allowed to say.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video.
If you did, hit the like button or leave a comment.
Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos.
This is Michael.
And Stefan from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
Signing off.